Hello friends, welcome to Ansible Seco. So in this video, we are going to see how to install WSN on your Windows platform, Windows 11 Pro, whether it is Pro or if you have a home version. Okay, so that is all fine, no problem. So we are going to see how this will get installed. There are certain steps which we have to follow and that will be installed. Okay, so let's start with the terminal. Okay, in admin mode. Fine. So let's see if any version is installed, wsl-l-v. So it says that there is no WSN, Windows Subsystem for Linux is installed. So you can install it by running wsl.exe hyphen install. So there are certain steps which we have to follow to install it, but it is directly asking me to install it. Okay, so if I want to install WSL2, so I will have to follow this command. Okay, I will say Control S. Okay, dot slash dism dism dot exe, not able to get it. Dism dot exe. Okay, after that online, mhm, /online enable hyphen feature feature. Okay, now let me copy it. The rest of the thing will remain same. Press enter. So now you can see it is fetching something. Okay, image version 10.0. This particular image has been fetched and enabled. Okay, so we have completed with this particular step. uh, Restart is not required right now. Okay, so here we can set the default version whether 1 or 2. Okay, so let's see which version has got installed. WSL hyphen L hyphen V. Oh, it is still saying WSL not exe hyphen V. No. Okay. WSL.exe hyphen L hyphen V. Let's say press Control C to close. This prompt will continue 60 seconds. Press any key to install WSL for Linux. Okay, so I'm going to press the key, any key. Okay, so now it has started downloading the Windows Subsystem for Linux 2.6.3. Okay, you can see. Okay, meanwhile, I'll just pause this video until it gets downloaded. Yeah, so now you can see the download step has been completed. Now it is installing WSL for Linux 2.6.3. Let's see what happens. Yeah, the operation completed successfully. The requested operation is successful. Changes will not be effective until the system is rebooted. So for this one, I will have to reboot the system. You can also resolve this by installing a distribution which with the instruction below. Okay, okay. So let's copy this instruction here. Okay, let's say new instruction. Fine. Yes, wsl.exe hyphen l hyphen v. mm, hyphen l hyphen o. Okay, so now you can see Ubuntu is there. Okay, 24.04. You can see Fedora Linux system. Okay, Oracle is there. Debian is also there. Okay, right. So all these images, okay, friendly names, all these images are available right now. Okay. Okay, let me start the system, then it will be available in the next video, I believe. Okay, after reinstallation, you need to see the offline. We have seen that WSL status. Let's see WSL. WSL1 is not supported with your current machine configuration. Okay, so default version is 2. Please enable the Windows Subsystem for Linux operation command to use WSL1. Okay, enable the virtual machine platform by running WSL install no distribution. Okay. Fine. And what else? We want Debian server. So let's see if we can install wsl.exe hyphen install Debian. Okay, Debian is there. GNU Linux. Okay, let's see. The request reference changes will not be effective until the system is rebooted. Okay, so it is installed. Now, which one I want? Kali Linux is also there. Rocky Linux. I'm not able to see Rocky Linux here. Okay. Okay. Let's start with this. Fine. Hyphen L hyphen O. Okay. So anyhow, we have to start the system. Okay.